Hey, it's Lauren and Nora back from Kids Create, and today we're going to be doing a review on Fizz and Surprises. So if you don't know what is Fizz and Surprises, I'm going to tell you. This is basically a bath bomb. Both of us are bath bombs. And this one, you can collect 2 Shopkins. You can collect all 18 of them. And they change color in water. And Nora's is also the same thing. It's like a bath bomb. You collect 1 mermaid. You can collect all 12 of them. And it has the tails change color.
So let's open it.
Let's get started. This is out of the package. And now I'm going to remove the pink wrapper. And yeah. And
It's a
yellow.
seashell.
And it is yellow. Mine is heart-shaped. And it has this 2 on it. And it is a pink bath bomb. I would recommend doing this in a bathtub. It would be super cool. But we got cameras here. So we're gonna just do it in a bowl.
Okay.
So this is the bath bomb. We are just gonna put it in the water and see what turns out. And the tail will be changing colors. Go. Okay, it is turning the water yellow. Okay, so this is yellow, and what's crazy about it is I think the mermaid is gonna have a yellow tail because it looks just like that.
Yeah.
And it really turns the water yellow, guys.
It might be a yellow. It might have
This looks like lemonade.
Clothes. Yellow. We want to eat it, but it can't.
Mommy. Okay. Okay.
It's halfway done. I don't know. It's a mermaid, but I don't know fully what she looks like yet. I'm gonna put her back in. This looks awesome.
In warm water, they change different colors.
Let's get some warm water and see how it changes colors.
What?
When we put this in warm water, the tail and I think the hair changes color. Well, I don't know about the Shopkin, but let's see if it does. It's changed.
I literally changed, you guys. So I'm gonna take this out. It was just orange, and now look at its tail. It is totally yellow. And then you put it back in cold water, it turns perfectly orange.
I want to put it
yellow. Yellow. Now take it out.
hot.
Now take it out now. I put it in cold. Now I'm gonna put in my beautiful pink Shopkins. 2 will come out, I think. Okay.
The water's turning white.
So this water is turning pink. But the top is literally little tiny bits falling out and going back in. Okay, mine is doing amazing. Now let's see. Ooh, Susie Sunday fell out. Okay, so this is the sundae right here. And I'm gonna put it in some hot water and see what happens. Ooh, it's turning pink. Rainbow. Okay, so my Susie Sunday, I think that's what her name is. She is just a little bit blue, but now she has turned pink. And yeah. Then finally, this tato. It kind of looks like a tato. But this rainbow, it was yellow and now it's red. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe and like the video. So the question that we want to ask you is, what if you've opened a Fizz and Surprise, what kind have you got and what if you got it in it? Tell us in the comments, and make sure to subscribe if you're new and click that notification bell. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Make sure you give a big thumbs up to subscribe to our channel